Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much. Well, just came back from work once again. Another long day of work since from 4 in the morning until until now. It's 6 p.m. Pacific time. And here I am back again. And yep, I just did some more doodles and some pre-sketches before I jump into another practice session. So yep, just did some doodles right here, just quick sketches here and there. So today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if I could draw a Morgan from Capcom's game. I don't know if you guys know Morgan Asgard. I think that's what her name is from that video game called Night Stalker. So I'm gonna try to challenge and draw her. So without further ado, here we go. So let's see. Just get the rhythm line going, and here's the face. And I'm just gonna go ahead and create a small bust right here. Oh, and guys, just so you know, I am using a reference right now at the moment. I'm not able to just go ahead and spontaneously make any what do you call it? I'm not good enough to draw without any images, without the help of references. Okay, so just get the so here's gonna be arm. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are the fingers. Yep, hands are always difficult. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do a small framework right here for the face. There you go. And get that hair flow going. Yeah, drawing smaller objects like this, the detailed objects are still a little difficult for me to do this with the left hand. So just use some cross contour. There you go. Let's see. Okay, let me just go ahead and kind of erase out some of these unnecessary lines. So I could make drawing a little more cleaner. And here's the app. Yeah, guys. So I only have like 30 minutes to do these sketches or the other doodles. If I'm not working like between like 11 to 12 hours, I mean, I wish I could do more detailing and do some more practice, especially on the detailing and like cross hatching, which I'm really terrible at. Okay, now let me just go ahead and do some more detailing right there. Okay, so let me just switch back to the pen. So this time I'm gonna be doing a sketch with my pen. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be using any like fancy tools such as like colors or whatever whatnot. I mean, I wish I have a time to do colorings too, but Yeah, just to save a time, I'm just gonna go ahead and use these simple tools and just put some landmark right here. Just see if I could do some more. Before I put my pen down, just make sure that I have all the lines using. Just see if I could erase some of this. Do some shading right here. Wow, this is terrible. Sorry guys. You know, I wish I have a time to do more better drawings for all of you guys to see, but with my crazy working hours, it's just not possible. And as you guys well know, for the last 5 months, I wasn't able to upload anything due because of the busy schedules that I had to cover for my food business that I'm running at the moment. So instead of just go ahead and try to find the time to make this, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do these small sketches like here and there from now on, and just try to upload as many contents as possible, because you know, it's just yeah, I simply don't have time to make up plans and edit these videos anymore, unfortunately. I wish I could have done a better job with the eyes and the facial features, but well, it's a little too late right now. Damn, I suck. Okay, let's see if I could do a better job. And here's the deltoids and the armpit. Okay, alright, so I guess that's gonna be it for now. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry that I'm not able to finish any drawing at the moment due to my busy schedule, but you know, I'm also doing this for myself as well. I do need to keep on practicing and just crossing my finger like this and hoping that one of these days I'll get good enough to actually call myself an artist. But at the moment, I'm just an amateur wannabe, and you know, like it or not, I do have to keep on pushing myself and just keep on practicing and hoping that one of these days something's gonna click inside my head and I will be able to find a better ways to do a more better stylistic like designs and drawings in the future. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll try to do more sketches and doodles like this in the future too, possibly for tomorrow. Okay, so have a good night, and I'll see you next time.